Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming where the watch was last seen and when it powered off. Open the companion app and note the last reported location and timestamp. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location services on your phone are active so you have real-time range detection when the watch briefly powers. Next, scan common nearby places quickly. Call out its name and check pockets, bags, and chargers. This fast initial sweep saves time before deeper tracking methods. Now you dig into digital traces. Open your account's device activity to view the last IP, Wi-Fi, or cell tower data. This narrows the area. Then inspect sync data timestamps, health records, messages, or app backups to see when the watch last transmitted. Once you have a probable zone, use the phone's Find My feature to ping or mark the area and review the map's timeline for movement patterns. This lays the groundwork for a targeted physical search. You perform a focused physical search in a grid pattern across the narrowed area. Use a flashlight at low angles and listen for metallic sounds near furniture and under cushions. Once done, set the device to lost mode, change account passwords, and notify nearby lost and found or building security to increase recovery chances. If the watch remains missing and you suspect theft, make sure to file a report and, as a last resort, prepare a remote wipe to protect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.